Hello. Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to do this video as like a little introduction to my new series and my new little mini project on YouTube. So this new series that I'll be bringing out is called The Makeup Basics. And I was just thinking, I get so many questions on like the key things I need if I'm starting out makeup. What products do I need? What would you recommend for this, that? And I'm gonna make this series dedicated to that. This is practically for people who are new to makeup and they need a starting point and some reference to where to start for like a basic routine. This is exactly what I needed when I started YouTube. You want to know how to apply foundation, you want to know how to apply concealer, you want to know how to apply false eyelashes. I know you guys want to know how to do all of this stuff. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to make a mini series documenting all of these things, and this would be a perfect place to put it all into one for you guys to see that. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and give you a little introduction to what is to come, and I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, take care of yourself, drink your water, mind your business, and I'll see you very soon. Get ready for the makeup basics.